Hello. Today I'll be showing you how to utilize the optional output tray on your device in the event that the finisher is not working correctly. And we will be working on the 7353 Ci, and it also goes with the 8353 Ci, and it also applies on the 8003 series and 9003 series black and white. And I'm going to show you how to enable that real quick. So when you work up to the device on the screen, you hit System menu, you go Camera Settings, and Paper Output. And this is where you change the right tray. This is for the copy, and also when you're printing from your computer, make sure that is also set to the right tray. So you select that, and you hit OK, and reset. So make sure, as you can see, that the screen and now is showing that your green arrow is facing to the right. So we have to make sure this is open before we make a copy. So you put your document in, and then you hit start. So the paper should be coming out on the right tray instead of on the finisher side. And that's how you utilize the right tray option to get your paper output.